Hi, Dr. Nick Ramburn, acupuncturist. I want to talk about insomnia today because it affects close to half of the population. About 10% of the adults have chronic insomnia, but close to 40% of adults experience insomnia at some point. And you really want to think of sleep as a very complex process, which is not just passing out, right? So a number of restorative processes happen during sleep. Having to do with memory, and then also different physiological processes in the body, basically dealing with metabolic stress, oxidative stress. And so sleep is this ultimate performance enhancer. And unfortunately, a lot of people aren't able to get the restorative sleep that they need. So people tend to turn to medication just to be able to sleep. And so the quality of sleep when you take a pharmaceutical isn't quite the restorative sleep that you actually need. You don't get the full, all the different stages of sleep that you really need to have a complete full rest. And so acupuncture provides a really interesting tool to deal with insomnia. A lot of people have insomnia as a result of chronic pain, and so acupuncture helps with that in the sense that acupuncture triggers endogenous opiates, which are your body's natural painkillers. So it's your own natural pharmacy inside of your body that we're able to trigger through acupuncture. So if we're able to deal with the pain, we're able to help sleep that way. Other people just have insomnia without any chronic pain, and so acupuncture is also really useful there. One of the key mechanisms of acupuncture is that it deactivates limbic structures in the brain. And so you can think of limbic structures as areas of the brain that are responsible for the fight or flight response. So when you're in that fight or flight mode, when areas of your brain that are responsible for sort of raw fear are very active, it's natural that you're not able to fall asleep. But as we're able to deactivate those areas and trigger more relaxation, balance the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, we're able to get the body and the mind into a more natural, relaxed state. And in that relaxed state, patients often feel that they can fall asleep much easier. So if you have trouble with insomnia, I highly recommend that you check out acupuncture.